morning. This week we are going to look at your immune system. This crazy complex network of tissues and organs and cells that is spread throughout your entire body and basically works as a sensor within all of your different systems to detect intruding pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungus. These sensors then signal other parts of the system to go in and kill these invaders. So your immune system is constantly working, and realistically it saves your life every single day as your body is constantly being bombarded by these different kinds of pathogens. Some interesting information about your immune system. Probably two of the most influential scientists, doctors regarding your immune system were actually fierce rivals. So Louis Pasteur is pictured right here, and then Robert Koch. They should have seen their work as being complementary to each other, but again, they were fierce rivals. Pasteur was famous for determining the mechanism of vaccines using weakened versions of the different microbes, bacteria and viruses. And Koch was a German physician that basically looked at the conditions in which pathogenic bacteria can infest hosts. So one of them looked at how infection occurs, and one of them looked at how we can actually treat infection. Both of them incredibly important scientists during their time. Just really interesting that they were arch enemies, in part because there was a language barrier. One was German, one was spoke English. Lots of criticism back and forth of each other's work, and probably just some good old-fashioned jealousy. The immune system has actually been under some really exciting research lately based on using our own immune system to treat cancer. So basically, biomedical engineers will use a patient's own normal cells to attack cancer cells. And it can be used for a lot of different diseases, not just cancer, but we are just experiencing the tip of the iceberg on what we think we can do to convince our own bodies to attack cancer cells that are growing uncontrollably, which is fantastic because we would not need to then use drugs or radiation or some of the other treatment methods that we currently use that have such harsh side effects. And because they are our body's normal cells, we don't have to worry about rejection or things like that. So it is a really exciting piece of research that's occurring right now in terms of your immune system and harnessing it to fight against cancer.